We have another adventure today. This wonderful person that I worked for through the years had come along and stepped on her step and it dropped. So she wanted me to fix it. She had fixed it temporarily with a rock, and that worked for a little bit. But we're going to try to see if we can make her life a little bit better. And first thing we'll do is pry all these boards up and put in new ones. See what we need to do to have that secured. This is a little bit of an adventure and hard work. I'm sweating already and it's early in the morning. So, but that's the answer to every problem: hard work. We've gotten the wood out. It was pretty rotted on this side as far as the top boards. If you notice, these nails that were in here are really thin, rusted out, and they break real easy. And so it looks to be a lot of the issues. They didn't put a lot of nails, and the nails have been in there long enough that they've rusted away before the wood did, which wood is at the end of its life. This is a little soft. I may go ahead and replace that. Rest of it, you gotta refasten this, pull all the dirt that gets in there out, clean it up, put screws into it. That's what I use, the screws on everything. So I'll replace this one, refasten that one, put screws in everything, clean up everything, and show you as we go along and putting it together. Right, next one down. I don't think there's anything there up in here. Okay, put one here. Let me get up there a little bit. Over here. And then do an angle. Now into this part right here.
I know.
Well, if you're knowing what I'm saying, you go into that corner through that. Like,
you want that?
At an angle into that.
Like this.
Okay, do you understand what I'm trying to do? Okay,
no.
Listen. That's got to go like that into that wood.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, well, you're not doing it if you're going over here. You got to get in here.
Yeah, I was going to go straight this way and bend it. Back.
Okay, try it. See if we can put another one in there. Different, maybe higher or something. Let's put one at an angle right straight to there into that, and then one from the other side. That should make it pretty strong, or at least a pin cushion. No, 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 no. No, right through there into that. That's good. That'll be good. That's plenty good. That's way over the top of what anybody's ever done before. All right, let's bring in 2x6 new ones on top. Let's just lay them all in there. Looks like they're bumped up pretty tight.
No, this one was smaller. These were 2x6s.
No, they were all 2x6s. Every last one. I don't know if I like that knot. I'm gonna have to turn that one over. Slide that back. Have to figure out where that was.
You gotta hold that up.
Rock in there. Maybe a low board. I want 3 in each. Remember that one, I don't like the knot holes. Maybe this one. See if I can turn this one. It's rounded on the other side. That one though. That's a little prettier on that side, sort of. Alright, so I would have, when I originally would have built this thing, which I didn't, I wouldn't put them on 3-foot centers. I would do 2-foot centers, and it wouldn't be as much movement. But they did that 2-foot here, and they did 3-foot here. But we're here to make her happy and make things a lot better for her. So this looks good. All screwed down. Got the good side up. Lots of screws, and I feel a responsibility to her. She's a friend, not just a customer. Everybody is a friend, not just a customer. If they're just a customer, I generally don't like working for them because I usually want everybody to be a friend. That's how I am able to approach the job with energy, even though I don't have to have the money. It is for me to make other people's lives better. And if I don't care about them, then I wouldn't do it. So I wish you guys well. I hope everything goes well, and I hope you're creative and being Americans, not Americans.